effectively process, track rush orders and hot parts. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is built around an engineering and manufacturing data warehouse that integrates CAD, engineering, manufacturing, and ERP with the shop floor to provide complete information when and where needed throughout the manufacturing enterprise. Global Edge works with your MES system to provide real-time shop floor monitoring capabilities. This includes real-time workstation capabilities that tracks production at both the workstation and machine tool level. Global Edge provides real-time shop floor data collection to provide an effective tool to manage the shop floor. Global Edge provides an innovative method to monitor shop floor production with a workstation screen to record production at each routing step, including a dashboard that provides a real-time snapshot of your production. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.